Are you tired of the same old frustrations with Ourtime? Maybe you're finding it hard to connect with genuine matches or deal with outdated features. Be sure to watch the whole video because there is a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10. Plenty of Fish. Known for its large user base and easy-to-use features, Plenty of Fish is a great choice for finding matches quickly. 9. Match.com. With a reputation for serious dating, Match.com offers detailed profiles and strong search filters to help you find exactly what you're looking for. 8. eHarmony. This site focuses on compatibility with a thorough personality test, aiming to match you with people who share your values and goals. 7. OkCupid. Offering a variety of questions to match you with potential partners, OkCupid is ideal for those who want a bit more depth in their dating experience. 6. Elite Singles. Targeted at professionals looking for serious relationships, Elite Singles uses a comprehensive questionnaire to connect you with like-minded singles. 5. Zoosk. Known for its user-friendly interface and unique matching technology, Zoosk helps you find matches that fit your dating preferences. 4. Silver Singles. Tailored specifically for people over 50, Silver Singles provides a safe and supportive platform for finding meaningful connections. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now, let's continue. 3. Hinge. Hinge emphasizes real connections with detailed profiles and prompts that encourage meaningful conversations. 2. Tinder. Famous for its swipe feature, Tinder is a popular choice for those looking to quickly explore potential matches and set up dates. 1. Bumble. Empowering women to make the first move, Bumble offers a refreshing approach to online dating and focuses on fostering respectful connections. Bonus site number 1. Happen. This app connects you with people you've crossed paths with in real life, making it easier to find someone nearby who shares your interests. Bonus site number 2. Raya. For those looking for something a bit more exclusive, Raya offers a high-profile dating experience with a focus on creative professionals. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.